Hi guys, Mark again here, Pilgrim V8. Got a nice new bit of stock for you. This is a lovely 1971 Ford Mustang. This is the notchback, what most people affectionately call it, but Ford actually call it a hardtop for this year. Let me talk you through the car. So coming down the side of the car, you can see it's not your factory standard colour, but it does hark back to the same sort of era in these sort of plum colours, the browns, the maroons. This is a lovely metallic plum colour, and as you can see in the sun, hopefully you'll be able to see in some of the photos, it's got a lovely metallic fleck in it that really pops. The car has been lowered from standard, it's got shorter springs, has got front disc brakes up front, so better stopping power, and as you can see it's got these American racing style alloy wheels which really fit the car nicely. Also you'll notice on the front end of this car you've got the Mach 1 style front splitter down the bottom here, and it's got a Mach 1 style hood with the NASA scoops on it as well, so that wasn't standard on this car for this base model, but it has got this model. It does look a bit more like a Mach 1. Your perfect car to get into the American car scene at a really great price of $24,950. The perfect car to get into American car scene is a car that's solid structurally and mechanically. And this car is a lovely example of that. Yes, it's not pristine, but for $24,950, this is the perfect car to get into the scene with and build into your own thing as you go. A lot of it's been started already, as you can see by the colour and the wheels and the lowering and the stance of it is much more aggressive than it originally was. If you look under the engine bay as well, you can see that it's all in really good shape. You've got your 351 Cleveland V8 in there, giving that lovely rumble. Very notorious for being a reliable engine too. Coming onto the inside of the car, straight away you can see you've got a smaller wheel here. It makes for a much easier drive because you're not having to move the wheel as much. This is obviously a non-standard wheel, but it's really fitting. It's kept in style with the drilled and slotted spokes on there, which really sort of hark back to that sort of 70s era muscle car. The rest of the car inside is pretty much as standard. It has been retrimmed with this black and red seat covers, but a lovely place to be, nice comfortable car to cruise around in. And as I said before, this is the perfect car to get into the American car scene, to go cruising with your mates and to car shows. Back in the 60s, 70s, that is the iconic era for muscle cars. And what we're seeing now is these early 70s cars are starting to find a bit more traction, becoming a future classic. The 65, 68 shape cars, obviously the films that they're notorious for, they hold the market 99% of the time. People know what they're talking about, but we're starting to feel that people are now coming around to these newer models. Up until when the fuel crisis hit in the early, sort of mid 70s, early 80s, the cars, the Mustang in particular, went much smaller and kind of lost its charm. This is the last of the true iconic muscle cars. So if this 71 is your perfect idea of a muscle car that get you into the scene, maybe do your own little bits and bobs to it to take it further. A lot of the work's already been done already to give you that resto mod sort of feel with the lower stance, the nice more aggressive wheels, the dechroming of the bumper and vents and stuff on the front. It's a lovely basis to get into the market. Give us a call, come down and see the car. You need to see this paintwork in the sun for yourself. It's just amazing. All the specification of this lovely car will be in the description below, as well as details on how to get in touch with us. So look it up, give us a call, come down and have a look and drive with the car, and I'll happily show you this lovely vehicle.